Thank you for returning to the channel. Homeowners and contractors sometimes grow frustrated because of miscommunication. Even what appears to be a well-crafted remodeling agreement, people interpret things differently. That's why it's essential to include mutually accessible resolution to your conflict. How to maintain this potential dispute. Understanding how project rolls out often proves enlightening. It's not uncommon for a construction company to juggle multiple projects. Outdoor projects require good weather and contractors capitalize on it. Many pivot to indoor work, such as kitchen remodel when it rains. Because of this, contracts usually include a reasonable timeline that should be followed. Employing the following best practices may help improve communication. Read the contract and take a few days to think it through. Identify areas that could prove problematic. Negotiate any portions that make you feel uncomfortable. Consider whether the timeline works with your lifestyle needs. Understanding timetables, workflow, materials, reasonable choices help properly negotiate the process. Regarding the contract is always wise, but a keen appreciation of all these moving parts keep people on the same page. Dispute resolution tools should be put in writing. When people involved in a construction contract become unhappy, communication can become very emotional. That tends to only heighten the problems otherwise good people want to resolve. Without mechanisms in your agreement to help you, your only recourse might be to hire an attorney and litigate. Consider the following alternatives. Negotiation. Include a clause that requires parties to engage in fair negotiations may resolve misunderstandings. It may be worthwhile to outline a specific process, such as electronic communication, mediation. Agreeing to work with a designated third party offers both sides a neutral opinion about facts and reasonable ways to move forward. Expert evaluation. Another process is generally not binding, involves enlisting a construction expert. This mutually agreed upon person can provide a concise opinion that highlights commonly adopted standards now they might be applied. The process formalizes mediation and can be legally binding to some degree. Neutral party with experience resolving construction contract disputes renders opinion and both parties agree to follow. Arbitration. This process usually involves paying a lawyer, but it may prevent expensive courtroom litigation. An impartial arbitrator reviews facts documents submitted by both sides so that the language in the contract can make the arbitrator's decision legally binding. Make sure to consider these things for your next project. Renovation projects that include ways to settle disagreements out of court protect the homeowner and the contractor alike. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any further questions on any of those issues I just brought up, please contact me and I will go into even further detail, or in fact, maybe even make an entire video. Thank you. Look forward to speaking with you soon.